Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're bringing you another tutorial, this time on the floating spiral knot. It's a very simple knot, very easy, and is based loosely off of the 4-in-hand knot. Now before we get to the tutorial, I want you to go ahead, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you like what you see, leave a like and a comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and take down the knot, undo the vest, and begin. Alright, so this knot starts with the blade of our tie on the right hand side, the tail of our tie on the left, and the end of the tail is going to be at about the 5th button down. What we're going to do is we're going to bring the tail of the tie to our center button line. We're going to bring the blade over, behind, in front, and a little bit lower. See how it's starting to spiral down. We're going to bring it behind and in front, and then we're going to bring it up, back, and through the collar. Now we're going to give a little bit of space here in this bottom ring right here. We're going to feed the blade of the tie through that ring. And we're going to tighten this up just a little bit the same way we tighten some of our other ties, by not by pulling down on the blade, but by pulling up, back, and over on the top, or up forward and over rather, on the top, just like this. Now to tighten it, you want to make sure that you're gripping underneath the knot here, not from the top, but from the bottom. Hold on to the tail, grip at the bottom, at the waist of the knot, and push up. Now we can tuck the tail into the little loop in the back, just like that. And then we need to massage the knot just a little bit. And what this does is it creates a zigzag action with the stripes on the knot, which is very striking. And we fold our collar down. And voila. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the floating spiral knot. This is an excellent knot to use for striped ties. In fact, I would not use it for anything other than a striped tie, and I would recommend it for a tie with larger stripes rather than very small sort of pinstripe designs. It's really good if you happen to work in an office environment and you don't want anything that stands out too much, but just enough. So keep coming back for more tutorial tips, and follow me on my social media pages to find out when I'm going to be online streaming. I'd love to have a chat with all of you. Thank you very much. Until next time, take care.